Hello, are you looking to move to Port St Lucie, Florida, and you're checking out all the different communities available in the area, and you want to learn a little bit more about what is PGA Verano? Stick around, you're not going to want to miss this video. My name is Megan Schoner. I'm a local real estate agent here in Port St Lucie, Florida, and I love helping people like you guys every single day on YouTube find your treasure of a home here on the Treasure Coast. So if you're looking in the next 9 days, 90 days, next year or two, please feel free to reach out to me. My email and cell phone are listed below. I would love to answer any questions that you have. Set up a quick Zoom call and help make your retirement and your dreams to move down to Florida a reality. In today's video, we are going to explore PGA Verano. This is a fantastic community. As you can see, it's kind of got that Tuscan feel. This is the entrance to the main entrance for this community. This community, while it's not 55 and older, it tends to feel a little bit, I'd say 40 plus. So a lot of buyers that come in town that are looking for 55 and older communities, we end up coming to this community because it has a lot of the same features that people really like, and the homes are built really nice here too. So I want to take you on a tour. We're going to go through some of the amenities, and they have a huge bottle center and lots of homes to look at, but we'll look at the top 3 selling homes. So this is the main clubhouse at Club Talavera. This has a resort style pool. It actually has an indoor pool, fitness center, movie theater, demonstration kitchen, all types of features here. So one of the questions that I get asked all the time, because you hear the word PGA Verano and you assume, okay, it's got to be a golf community. What happens if I'm not a golfer? So the nice thing in this community is that there's not a golf membership. There's no need to join a golf membership. But if you are interested in golf, there is this one, you can see it right behind me, there's one access point over to PGA Village and to their 3 golf courses. So you can buy that membership. I think right now it's about $50,000. They've got social memberships, and then they also have the golf membership, which I believe is about $50,000 at this point. And the restaurants over there. So do golfing if you want, but this community is not on a golf course per se, and there's no requirement to purchase a golf membership. One of the things that's nice about this community is it is already mostly established. You really have kind of a mix of a lot of different things here. So they have the move-in ready homes, they have new construction, and then there are also resale homes available. So I would say about 80% of the community currently has been built out. They probably have another 2 to 3 years left to go in here. But a lot of times people will come into this community and they really like it because you have a lot of the mature landscaping, and the clubhouse is already established and everything. So location-wise, PGA Verano is in the 34986 zip code, which is basically kind of St. Lucie West, kind of the western area of Port St. Lucie. It is just off of Crosstown Parkway. So the nice thing about Crosstown is it is a road that goes all the way far out west, all the way down to US 1. Easy way to get over to the beaches, and easy access to everything along US 1. But again, we're 5 minutes from Tradition. You've got Cleveland Clinic Hospitals, shops, restaurants, all the dining, everything that's new out in this area. So you can see over here, here's PGA Village Verano, so the western part of Port St Lucie. Tradition is further south. You've got PGA Village just north of it, and then St. Lucie West. So this is a lot of the gated communities are all out west. You can see there's Gatlin Boulevard, and then which is kind of the main thoroughfare here. And then again, this Crosstown Parkway I was talking about will connect you all the way down to over to US 1 into the ocean. So currently PGA Verano, when it will be finished being built out, it has about a little less than 2,800 single family homes. They have about 600 left to build. They're saying that should be done somewhere between the next 2 to 5 years, probably somewhere around 3 or 4 years. What's nice and what people really love about this community, if you are into pickleball, this community is big time into pickleball. They have 27 pickleball courts, and the communities down here all have different teams, and they all play all the other communities. So pickleball is huge here. They have all the same type of amenities like the other 55 and older communities. They do have a lifestyle director, demonstration kitchen, they have a movie theater. The only thing that is different though, they do not have a restaurant or a bar. So if that is important to you, that is one thing that is different at this community that you'll have, like if you're at Riverland or some of the other ones, Master Creek, some of the other ones that have full restaurants and bars. So that is a little bit different here, but it is a fantastic community. All ages, so a lot of times people like that, especially if they've got grandkids or they're looking for resale down on the future and they don't want to just limit their buyer pool if they want to sell just to the 55 and olders. So a lot of people really like the convenience of this community. So if you have any questions about PGA Verano, or you are looking to purchase in here, or have any questions about Port St Lucie or any of the communities here, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you find your treasure of a home here on the Treasure Coast. So I am here at PGA Verano. I'm at their model center row where they have 14 decorated models to take a look at. And I'm going to go through the 3 best sellers, top sellers in this community for the new construction, so you can take a look at. The prices on these, just so you know, the base prices, the Allison is their smallest model, and that starts at $396, $990, and it goes all the way up to $744,990. So this is the best-selling model. This is the Lila. This is the coastal elevation, so you can see kind of the shiplap looking on the outside. They did the extra second story. You can put the second story on any of the homes out here as an option, and same thing, you can add the 3-car garage. So this is the Lila. This is their best-selling model. It is between $21.29 and $25.63 under air if you add the bonus room upstairs, and the base price on this one is $485. So the next house that we're going to tour is the Page. You'll see the different elevations. So when we talk about elevations, that's the outside of the house. So on this one with the coastal elevation, this porch actually comes standard with the house. If you see across the way, we'll have different elevations. The Madison model has more of a coastal, it has more of a Mediterranean style. So they have all different types of elevations, and this is the Page. And you can see, instead of doing the barrel tile roofs, now they're doing the flat tile roofs. And this has a nice cozy front porch. So this Page model, in terms of square foot under air, ranges between 2,490 square feet, and then if you add the second story bonus room, I can go all the way up to 2,998 square feet. And the current base price, and this is as of May of 2025, is $551,990. So as you can see, this again can come with a 3-car garage. It has kind of a different elevation, different floor plan. What's nice, again, all this outdoor living space out here. So one of the biggest things about Coulter built homes, you can see the extra transom over all the windows. The ceiling height are a lot higher than some of the other builders. This is the Velerie. Like I was saying before, what comes standard is you always have this extra transom over the windows, so you have a lot of natural light and a lot of ceiling height. So with any of these homes, you can add a pool. That is something that they can either include in the price when you purchase it, or it's something that you can do aftermarket. I get the question all the time, what is the cost of a pool? Obviously, this is a luxury pool, but if you're looking for just a standard basic pool with the lanai, about $100,000 is a pretty good price point to consider. The other question people always ask too is, you see these beautiful model homes and everyone's saying, well, what should I expect? Because what's standard, what's not. So all of these things are upgrades. It's a way for the builder to show off all the different finishes and things that they're able to do for these homes. I would say probably figure about 25 to 30% of the base price for your upgrades. That's pretty standard, and at least kind of give you a ballpark figure. Other thing too in terms of pricing is that the base prices that I'm giving you do not include the lot premium. So depending on if you want a lake view or more of a berm, kind of a garden type view, and depending again on the size of the home, you're going to have different lot premiums. So that will be something else that you'll need to factor into the costs. So in terms of the HOA fee and amenities, there are basically two different HOA fees. You're going to pay one to the Verano Property Owners Association. That's going to include your landscaping and irrigation, individual home lawn maintenance, which is the cutting, the irrigation, pest control, any kind of light fertilization and light pruning. And then it also is going to include the manned gate entry, cable TV. You've got high-speed internet and alarm monitoring. And that is going to be, again, depending on the collection of the home that you're purchasing, somewhere between $359 a month and $444 per month. And then in addition to that, you're going to pay $176 per month, and that's going to be for the Club Talavera, which includes your heated indoor junior Olympic pool and spa, the heated outdoor pool and spa. You've got the resistance pool, the Club Talavera Fitness Center, the fitness center powered by their eGym training system. And then you've got all the aerobics, Pilates rooms, the ballroom, the media room, the library, the instructional kitchen. You also have saunas, a massage room. You've got, like I mentioned, the 27 pickleball courts, lighted hard-true tennis courts, basketball, bocce, and a tot lot. So another nice thing about this builder and this community is while you can't do a custom build, what they do allow, there's a lot of different changes that you can do within the home. So let's say you want to make one of the rooms more of an ensuite, or you want to add the third car garage or the upstairs bonus room, or you want to reconfigure some things. They really make it easy for you to be able to do that, so you can kind of have a semi-custom home. So just a quick note, when you are looking at new construction, please feel free to reach out to your real estate agent, hopefully it's me, before you go look at any of the new construction model homes. You might think you don't want to bother your real estate agent, but really what ends up happening is we need to be registered with you on your first initial visit, so that way we can help you all the way through the process. It does not change the cost of the house. You do not save any money by not putting down a realtor. It just gives you an extra layer of protection so that if there's any issues with the builder, we can take care of those for you. If you live out of town, we can do walkthroughs and stay on top of the construction. And need me to be the bad guy for you, I'm happy to do that as well. So if you have any questions about PGA Verano, any of the new construction models, again, they've got a wonderful mix of homes here. So you can, from all different sizes, and if you want to do new construction, you can do that, to build up. They actually have some move-in ready homes. So those are brand new homes, but never been lived in, but you don't have to worry about the build time, which can be somewhere between 8 and 12 months. You can have a quick move-in spec home. They also have a ton of resale homes here. So maybe you want a pool, but you don't want to have to add the cost to it. You can do a resale here as well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you find your treasure of a home here on the Treasure Coast. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can watch these videos every single week.